didn't like the way it started because I think one of our players got an early injury that also caused us statically. Then from there, we tried to strategize tactically, and then we went into it. I think we were slight ahead of House of Folk during the first half. And then a bit of chances that we got that we think we should have also punished them, and then we didn't get them. Gentlemen,
please,
you have to have patience.
Let's try to bear with it. We are shouting for 90 minutes.
So in the second half, we came in strongly. The second half also, we started very well. Then once you made a mistake around your 18-yard box, you will be punished at the highest level. And then we got that punishment. Scoring goal also give a kind of spirit into opponent. Whoever who plays, their House of Folk took over. We have to come back strongly. Got one of the few chances we couldn't at the end. I think that we should have got something from this game, even though we've lost. But at least if we get a point, it's also good for us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Coach. In your preamble, you did indicate that.
We talk much about the officiating. You know, in Ghana here, the trend keep going on. You know, these officials, I do give them respect, but lo and behold, I think this season things are not going off for officiating. Around other centers, I think it's the same old thing that is occurring. I think whoever who is on top of affairs of these guys, I know they've been going to the courses as usual, but the kind of mind that they usually bring into games, you know, is different from what they have learned. Just came in, he did very well. Yeah, I cannot say the boy did average. He did very well. The expectation that we have for him, we have to still give him that kind of game time a lot. In Wa, for instance, he did a human job over there. Here too, when he came in, I believe that the boy has done well. Yeah.
You answered my earlier question. How did Prince injury affect your game?
Look, once a player have got injured, we are not expecting, but injury is inevitable in football. There are some certain things, they are inevitable. Once it comes, you have your cards to play. So that is when Douglas came in. So that's what I said, that Douglas came. He did perfectly for us, yeah.
Okay,
I have not heard any comment from somewhere like that, and so I don't have nothing to talk about. Yeah.
Okay.
Ken, sorry, my question goes to it was very impressive.
We thank God. So you have answered me. So we know what he has. So playing with us of everything he can, and then he did it. If he should have scored, I think we all will say hallelujah. But it's a game of football. Today, I wish you also will be coming around the training ground and see the kind of work that we do around the goalpost. So when it's happening this way, these boys have to just be getting the target for us, you know. So we still continue working on the repetitions of things, and then gradually the doors will be open for scoring.
Right. Yes, sir.
We were on top of the game until we made that mistake, and we were paid for that mistake. If we said after they scored, then that is where House of Folk come into, and then they were getting the openings. I will understand you. Yes.
But before there was
I didn't see something like that.
Okay.
And Daniel in front of Tufo. Daniel technically is gifted. You understand? You can see the kind of things that he even do. So when we strategize by playing him in front of Tufo, we are looking for something from him. That's the reason why we put him in front of Tufo. It's nothing. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Did you do that?
So we didn't put the balls down and then play. What I believe in football, sometimes once you play, you keep possession by playing. There are sometimes you go in by playing direct football. You understand? So when we play in direct football, you are looking out to balls have to come around the chest of players to have it. If they didn't have it, because for the passes are unpredictable. It can go and then it will be a duel. So if they win it, players have to get ready for the second boss.
Yes, Anane.